Hey guys, we received this Speks Crags Ferrite Putty for test and try. So they're the 500 plus Ferrite stones in a tin Fidget toy for adults or teen or kids. So they're the Dex toy for office and a Christmas gift to anyone. So as you can see, this comes in a really nice metal box, and this is called the Crags Ferrite Putty. So this one is like nice with your hand and just have the fun. As you can see, very nice magnetic beads. So yeah, it sticks really well, and you can mash all in one in your hand, or you can just see like the attraction with this magnet. So it's like a putty, and because of the magnetic thing and the metal surface, there is no mess, and you can just easily play it like a clay or the soft putty or anything. But you see, like the magnetic power thing, it's really fun and enjoyable to play with it. And just grab them and just see. So really a nice, like a Fidget toy or like a putty or just squash or just join together. And this have this metal box as well for storage, so there is no mess, and you can easily store them and keep them aside. See, like it's like a real putty with a magnetic iron or the metal beads. So no mess and all. You can just easily put it in the box and just keep it aside, and it's really fun. But keep away from the kids or the children as they are really small. But for the adults and teenagers, this should be okay. So really a fun thing. I hope you enjoy this as well.